Hi everyone. Welcome back to Akane Sharing Channel, your go-to channel for tech tips and tricks. Today, we'll show you how to easily send files using the CX Explorer app. Whether it's photos, videos, documents, or APK, CX Explorer makes file sharing quick and seamless. Let's dive right in. CX Explorer is not just a file manager app, it also allows you to send files directly to other devices via Wi-Fi, hotspot, or cloud services. Here's how you can use it. First, connect your Android TV to the Wi-Fi at home. Go to Settings and look for the Network and Internet menu. Connect your Android TV to the Wi-Fi at home. Also connect your Android phone to the same Wi-Fi. First, download the CX Explorer application on your Android TV. Open the Google Play Store application and type CX Explorer. If CX Explorer is already installed on Android TV, take your Android phone and install the CX Explorer application too. Open the CX Explorer application. Select the Network tab. Then select Access from Network. Setting port and password like this. Then press the Start Service button. Next, an FTP address will appear for you to enter in the configuration on the CX Explorer application on your Android phone. Open the CX Explorer application on your Android phone. Select the Network tab. Then select the plus icon. Select the Remote tab. Then select FTP. Enter the IP address, port, username, and password, as displayed on your Android TV like this. Select OK. And you can see all the folders on your Android TV. Back to home. Then find the file that you will send to Android TV. Here I will send two different applications such as Lock and Rotation Control to Android TV. Select Copy. Then go back to Home. Select the Network tab. And select the IP address of the Android TV. Go to the folder and find the Download folder. Paste the copied file into this Download folder. Exit FTP service. Go to Home. Go to Download folder. Check if APK is there. Then try to install. And that's it. Sending files using CX Explorer is super easy and efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.